Well, hello everyone. It's Johnny back again. Have a beautiful unicorn today as the background. That's what we're going to focus on connecting with, are the unicorns. So just close your eyes and relax. And just let yourself be taken away to a magical place where anything is possible. A place where the unicorns live and thrive. Allow yourself to believe. Go within yourself to that child part of you where literally anything and everything is possible. Where you're full of wonder and amazement and just pure magic. A time when you knew that unicorns were real. And just tap into that energy now, that childlike wonder and amazement. Go back to that time when you were a child and see the eyes of that child and see the world through that child's eyes. And imagine seeing a unicorn appear magically in front of you. A beautiful, powerful unicorn. And just see it there, sitting in front of you, standing in all its majesty, looking right at you. And these unicorns have magical messages for you. So just continue to focus on them and receive the messages they bring. So as you look at that unicorn in front of you now, the first message is one step at a time. Little steps make big dreams come true. So it's encouraging you to keep taking baby steps if you must, but one step at a time. Slowly but surely moving forward, continuing on your path, continuing on your journey. Never stop, never slow down, never go back. Keep moving forward. Keep charging ahead. Work towards that rainbow that's just on over the horizon. You can make your dreams come true. And the unicorns can help you with that. They can help you to release any other fears and let them be transmuted. They can help you to see only faith, only trust. They can help you make your dreams come true. So keep taking that one step at a time, always moving forward, always on the move towards your goal. And the unicorn has another message for you, and it's to be true. True to yourself. Recognize that you are powerful. Recognize that you have spiritual wings and can fly. You can take to the skies. You can go anywhere and you can do anything. You come from the light and you are the light. Recognize that you can. You can and you will. You are the truth. You are the life. You are the light. Anything can happen. You have the Creator within you. And the unicorns can help you make those dreams come true. Use their wings. Pegasus. aboard a magical unicorn. Let it take you to where you need to go, where you want to go. The truth is within you. The truth is eternal. Anything can happen. The unicorn has another new message for you. And it's given you the energy of love from your parents. It reminds you that no matter what kind of upbringing you've had, no matter what may have happened, it's important not to judge your parents or to find fault in them or in anyone else's parents. Understand that everyone is doing the best that they can. And just take a nice big deep breath and release any harmful judgments, any heavy judgments of yourself or others. Just let yourself feel the love from your parents. And recognize that they do love you and they do care for you. And that love is all around you in your friends and in your family. Even sometimes if you can't see it, just recognize that it is there. And use that energy that you know deep down in your heart is there to help move you forward and make your dreams come true. Imagine hugging your parents now and receiving that love from them. And a beautiful unicorn now appears before you. It goes eye to eye to you and says that you are gifted. Reminds you that you're very intelligent and talented. You are so unique and special. We all are. But her message is for you. To remind yourself of your talents. To remind yourself of everything that you offer to the world. She doesn't blink when she says that. You are gifted. Remember those gifts. And to use them and share them. Make the most of them. Never hang your head down low. Keep your head up high. Trusting in yourself and all that you can and do offer. And finally, the message from this unicorn is yes. A simple yes. Any desire that you have within you, any dream that you have, any intention that you want, any goal that you want to set, just know that you can do it. The answer to all of them is yes, you can. No doubts, no indecisiveness, no fears. Always come back to the energy and the self-assuredness that the answer yes brings. Because your unicorns will help you. They will give you that energy of the yes. They will help you to clear your path. Wash away anything in your way. Clear up your path so you can achieve your goals. Anything you can do, or anything you want to do, recognize you can do. Recognize you can do anything. Can you do it? Can I do this? Can I do that? Anytime you ask yourself, the answer is definitely yes. Let's take this time to thank the magical unicorns for stepping forward. Slowly take your time, gathering up all that energy and beautiful messages they brought us. And slowly take your time coming back.